What is up, everyone? It is Seth Leroy Adventures, Minnesota life, Minnesota. Look at how nice it's getting out. Ooh, I know, the snow. The snow is the problem. It's our beautiful backyard. We got that fence put in for about 10 grand last year. Look, I cleaned the whole freaking deck so we could come out here and, sort of live. Everly, you need to get, better clothes on. But if you're new to the channel, I'm a Minnesotan. I'm all about positivity, motivation, recovery. I'm in recovery, 9 years, March 28th. I'm all about going for your goals, going for your dreams. I help people with their cargo van businesses. If you're new to the channel, that's why I'm saying all this. But we've just been vibing out this weekend. We went to Crumble Cookie yesterday. You'd see that on that last video. We have merch, new merch. They got positive quotes that I live my life by. But anyways, we're just probably gonna vibe out today. Have a good day. Me and my wife have been watching this really cool, like these horror story things. It's not American Horror Story, but I can't remember. My little daughter likes them too. But the other two, they sit and chill on their stuff. But anyways, yeah, so the oldest one, he's going to a Gophers game today too. He's got some other things going on. Oh, there's the neighbor's dog. Here's my killer. Marshall, you show him what's up. Marshall's 9 years old. If you're new to the channel and you don't know Marshall, he needs a haircut. Jeez.
Wait, he's 9 years old?
Yeah, he's 9 years old, bro. But anyways, I'm going to go. We're just going to vibe out and hang out on the deck because we're Minnesotans and we need some sort of outside. My wife takes vitamin D, but we can get some natural vitamin D right now. So let's go. Luna, what do you got there? Oh, gosh. See, Minnesota girls. Me and Everly are going to do some chalk out here. Mama's cooking. Kayson's going to the basketball community center. Luna? Okay, Luna, get that to Dada. No? She's a Minnesota girl. Good morning, everyone. It's coffee time, school, and workout time. This is that chill morning. Sunday morning. So yeah, no video editing, nothing. A little coffee. And yeah, chilling. So I'm gonna get this workout in. I'm gonna do my gratitude list. If you follow me on the smaller platforms, that's what I do every single day. Gratitude list in the morning, nightly review, reviewing the day, how I can improve, what I need to work on. But yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Gonna chill out, vibe out. Gonna watch the All-Star Weekend. Yep. So let's get this workout on. Yeah, a little update on yesterday. We had fun. We vibed out at home mainly. Yeah, we had fun. I hung out with the kids on the deck a lot. We watched that new movie, Megan, the robot movie. Apparently, my teenager went with his girlfriend too, and he said it sucked. I didn't even know that. Dude, that movie was dope. So we watched that. We just hung out. We had just a chill day yesterday. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go. I might go live. I do it in the morning, but not a lot of people hop on the live on TikTok, but I don't care. I like doing it in the morning. But yeah, I'm gonna go chill. Yeah, we're all just vibing out. There's Wuna. Baby cleaned her room. We share the room because wife's pregnant and snores. And then when the baby's born, we'll have that all set up. We're just chilling, watching Kayson play Warzone. Luna, did you go poo-poo?
No. Mama.
Dude, I was gonna freak out because at first So yeah, we just went to the dollar store and got some treats. Sarah's on the phone with her mom. But yeah, look, it's Minnesota. Oh, the sun. Oh, the sun. Dude, our fence, when we got our fence for 10 grand, it was a whole fiasco when we paid the people to do it, but I'm not gonna get into all that. If you watch my older cargo van videos, that was during that time. But yeah, freaking it was a thing. But yeah, dude, no, the fence with our kids just changed our life. Changed our life. Like, dude, the people wanted to even build it in front of our shed. Like, that's how weird it got. We were like, no, we need access because we got our woodpile in our shed. You'll see when we're having fires. I still like vlogging a lot of like what we're doing day to day, you know, on the weekend and then during the week. But when I can't wait for fishing, and dude, you're gonna see some fishing. Like, that's what I originally was doing on YouTube. But anyways, I'm gonna get in here and watch Kason play Warzone. Well, that right there is the end of the weekend. Oh, there's Luna's phone. But yeah, so it was a good time. We chilled. We went and got some treats. I watched 600 Pound Life, watched an Amish show for a little bit, you know. But yeah, tomorrow back to the grind. I really like my new side hustle job. Perception is stronger than reality. That's why I call my job my side hustle, because my real goal is to create content and to spread positivity and get paid that way. I do get paid, but not, you know, once that could completely supplement my income, then it would be the dream has been completed. But what was I gonna say? So yeah, but I love this. I love listening to podcasts, driving around, you know, and people love usually when you pull up and you're getting their dumpster. So see y'all tomorrow. Yo, 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 it is snowing in Minnesota, don't you know? That's what I'm talking about. Look at that, beautiful. So yeah, today's going good, doing my thing, you know, so yeah, we'll get back at you in a little bit. Beautiful. It is snowing straight up, bro. It's low-key beautiful though. I love it. I mean, I live down in Florida. I've been all across the country. So when people are always like, ah, well, blah, 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 blah. It's like, dude, I've been everywhere pretty much. Like, Johnny Cash song, bro. Like, I've been around, bro. Like, ain't nothing like it. But, you know, you gotta be built for this shit. You gotta, like, that's the thing. You gotta be built for this life, bro, in Minnesota. So, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, what a beautiful day. Just gorgeous, don't you know? But yeah, let's get it. Oh, hi. Ah. Crazy, crazy, crazy beautiful. Crazy beautiful. This is why I love Minnesota. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take care of that. I'm gonna have to go up there and take care of that. Beautiful. Beautiful. But yeah, look at that. Absolutely love it. But yeah, let's get it.
I get blue collar paychecks. Hey, I'm blue collar made up. I be blue collar to my grave. Hey, I work hard, I get paid. Blue collar all day. I get blue.
I got a problem, and it's crumble cookie. I think I'm gonna go fucking see if they'll either give me a free one. I always bring my wallet in there, but I'm probably gonna go up in that bitch to ask for a cookie. So fuck, man. I was even like, you know what, I'm not gonna go in there, but I can't not go in there. I did it again. Yeah, no problem. Oh, stay fucking up, bro. I was telling dude, it's too good. Too good. Can't. Oh, they gave me it free again. I had my wallet ready and everything. God damn it. I said, man, this is not good that you guys are right here, bro, on my stop. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God, stop it. Ah! Oh, well, I'm back. I waited for them to open even. My wife on my headphone she just said, you're brave for going in there every day. She's talking right now saying they're probably like this goddamn garbage man every day, but they seem cool. But I bring my wallet every time just in case. Dude, I'm horrible. I think that lady was the manager though. She said every day you get a free one. Look at that, it's got chocolate. I can't do it. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, we got it's supposed to be the 5th biggest snowstorm ever, so we'll see what happens. at all these people. It's to the point where I couldn't even do my dumpster. They don't give a fuck. And it's okay. It's all good. Something wrong with my fucking air pressure, so I'm going back.
I get blue collar paychecks. Hey, I'm blue collar made up. I be blue collar to my grave. Hey, I work hard, I get paid. Blue collar all day. I get blue collar paychecks. Hey, I'm blue collar made up. I be blue collar to my grave. Hey, I work hard, I get paid. Blue collar all day. My work ethic flexing. Sweating all day, concrete mason, blue collar made like A-Cal clothing. I'm American.
Y'all think I'm kidding when I say I'm a Minnesotan? Yep. This is Rizio. Yep. Yes, sir. Yep. This is live action. Oh my goodness. Yep. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look at my garbage cans out there. Oh, yep. Yeah, this is Minnesota. Oh my goodness. I gotta grab a shovel. I do have a snowblower, but I usually just grab a shovel. Look at this shit. Ridiculous. Look at this shit. Ridiculous. I thought that guy was gonna help me. I thought he was gonna be like, oh, let me help this guy. Usually I'm Minnesotan wood. Whatever. This shit is redonkulous. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at that. See what's up. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's see how this works. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get it lined up, don't you know? Get it lined up to dump it, don't you know? We got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Easy peasy. We got this easy peasy. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Let's go. My Sarah beefs with the cat and dog. She was just talking mad shit. There's Kason. He's playing Warzone. He keeps losing. I taught him pretty good at Call of Duty, but he always is losing. We're going to pick up a pizza in this winter storm. And the babies are fighting. So we out. Oh yeah, man, they did that thing. Plowing, dog. Out of all of the trash companies, I guess, just us and one other that my buddy works for stayed open yesterday. And then the others, I guess, work Saturday. Like, I would all day fucking, you know. Dude, this thing was a beast through the snow, dude. Like, I knew it was already a beast, but this thing's no 07, dog. But I'm just saying, dude, I don't even do it beast mode shit. But anyways, I'm gonna get grinding. Let's go. I'm hitting my stride. I vibe out. I do my thing. I know which routes I like to get done right away. Let's go. Let's get it. Well, crazy week, but yeah, good week, but ups and downs. You know how it is in life. But Timberwolves are on tonight. Let's go. Well, good morning, everyone. My favorite thing to do. Time to edit the videos or the video and work out and just, you know, do my gratitude list. I'm starting to do, I think I'm going to do my TikTok live on here in the morning. I do it in the morning. Some people are up for it, you know, and it's just the best time for me to do it. But yeah, so like I always say, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine. This is all about motivation, Minnesota, recovery, trucking, going for your goals, all that stuff. You know, helping people with their cargo van businesses, merch in the description. That link for that gas app is amazing if you're doing especially your cargo van business or anything in general. Good for gas, good to save money. Yeah, hit me up anytime if you want to talk about recovery, cargo van business. There's one thing I will say. Sometimes the cargo van questions, like, I love doing it. I'm helping people right now about it. But like when it's on my vlogs that are not at all about cargo van businesses, it's a little like, okay, like, just sometimes it's like, okay, like, did you even watch my video? It just annoys me because it's like, there's so many cargo van videos that I have out there. So if you could like, actually, if you actually are someone who wants to like get motivation, not just about cargo vans, like what I'm saying is, and you watch my videos, could you please like some sort of, like, it's just like interact with what the content is, you know, like if the, you know, just to at least, there's people that'll say, oh, that was awesome. And then they ask their question. It's just on those videos. And sometimes it's just like, come on. But yeah, all positive energy. I'm just saying, it's just sometimes like, what the fuck? Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine. Hit me up anytime though. Like I said, it's just sometimes it's like, what the hell? Is that all anyone cares about on my page? Have a blessed one, and oh yeah, stay motivated. Go for your goals.